Nintendo Switch Online has added Wario Land 4 to its collection of classic Game Boy Advance GBA games, giving subscribers another exciting title to enjoy. Wario Land 4 is a popular platformer released in 2001. In the game, Wario sets out on an adventure inside the Golden Pyramid after hearing rumors about a hidden treasure. The game is known for its creative mechanics, including Wario's ability to transform into different forms, such as Flat Wario and Fat Wario, which help him navigate levels and defeat enemies. Wario Land 4 was previously available on the Nintendo 3DS in 2011, and now Nintendo Switch Online users can play it as part of their subscription. Nintendo Switch Online offers a wide selection of classic games from older Nintendo consoles, including the NES, SNES, Game Boy, and Game Boy Color. Interestingly, players can enjoy iconic titles like The Legend of Zelda: The Minish Cap and Kirby: The Amazing Mirror, both of which were originally released for the Game Boy Advance. These games bring nostalgic gameplay to modern players while introducing younger audiences to classic adventures. Subscribers can access these retro games by signing up for Nintendo Switch Online, which costs $20 per year. Players can buy more games, including titles from Sega Genesis and Nintendo 64, the expansion pack for just $50 per year. Meanwhile, the current lineup includes many fan-favorite games. Nintendo may continue adding more, with players expecting the inclusion of main series Pokemon games, Contra, and Battletoads in future updates.